Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Apecoin is the up-and-coming digital money on the block. Surprisingly fast, the task has acquired standard consideration and turned into a #1 among numerous crypto devotees. This dangerous achievement is for the most part because of the symbolic nearby binds with the profoundly well-known Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT project. The nearness to the workmanship project gave the crypto the running beginning it expected to arrive at cosmic costs in 2 or 3 months. Nonetheless, many are thinking about what Apecoin's future cost expectations predict and whether the crypto can come to the $100 mark. What is Apecoin? The Ape ecosystem is a decentralized local area building stage that utilizes an ERC20 token to engage and boost clients. Gorilla token holders are answerable for the administration of the ape environment. They can likewise decide on how assets ought to be utilized. The venture draws motivation from Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club. As a piece of the ape environment, the Apecoin project means to construct and keep a fair and comprehensive administration framework. Through a decentralized administration framework, the holders of an ape token can partake in the improvement of the stage. Yuga Labs likewise gave the Ape Foundation a one-of-one NFT to use as it sees fit. The Ape Foundation's board is made out of people who are liable for managing the everyday tasks of the stage. They are likewise answerable for administering the venture the executives and accounting assignments. Thusly, the Ape token is the administration badge of the ape biological system. It permits token holders to partake in the advancement of the stage and advantage from its open and decentralized nature. Through Ape token, clients can likewise get to specific pieces of the ape biological system that are not at present accessible to the overall population. For outsider engineers, the stage's Apecoin can be utilized to make new applications and administrations. How does Apecoin work? Apecoin has various purposes, giving it incredible utility. One of its primary goals is to act as an administration token on the Apecoin organization. This implies that holders can utilize their tokens to decide on changes made to the organization. In that capacity, they can be straightforwardly engaged with the improvement cycle and become more contributed. Such a majority rule approach has become exceptionally normal among crypto projects, permitting holders to have a huge say later on heading of the improvement interaction. Notwithstanding, the technique likewise has its weaknesses, as the solitary element with command over a lot of tokens can impact the organization. In the interim, the improvement group will utilize all returns from the offer of ape tokens to finance the task's different future undertakings. At last, Apecoin can be utilized to construct different blockchain-coordinated applications, for example, NFT games, play-to-acquire games, and metaverse applications. One such model is Animoca Brand's Benji Bananas, which declared it would embrace the ape token in its change to a play-to-procure model. NFT integration. As we referenced, Apecoin is intently attached to the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT project. Be that as it may, the crypto is likewise connected with a few other NFT series created and possessed by Yuga Labs. These incorporate the less well-known, yet similarly fruitful Mutant Ape Yacht Club and Bored Ape Kennel Club. Furthermore, Yuga Labs are presently the proprietors of the most sought-after NFT project available, CryptoPunks. Their portfolio likewise incorporates Meebits and Otherside. Since these ventures are currently under one brand, we can anticipate expanded interconnectivity and coordination between the NFT series and the ape digital money. Apecoin price history and short-term predictions. Apecoin hasn't been available for throughout the entire that. In that capacity, its value history is considerably more restricted than numerous other crypto projects. Sent off just on March 17, 2022, the Symbolic's market presence has been staggeringly brief so far. Notwithstanding, in that brief period, it has gathered a staggeringly wide crowd and arrived at costs that many ventures haven't even come near with years available. Primate's unsurpassed high happened when the crypto was first sent off and arrived at a faltering $39.40. The coin has never arrived at that cost from that point forward and has commonly kept a cost in the reach somewhere in the range of $10 and $15. Most as of late, Ape arrived at a cost of $19 and is supposed to break the $20 mark soon. While this may be lower than the ATH, it is an extremely certain sign as the token is as of now on a vertical pattern and these costs are substantially more feasible. Apecoin Price Predictions 2025-2030. Apecoin's cost has been exceptionally unstable for the brief time frame that it has been available. This makes anticipating its future costs considerably more troublesome. Nonetheless, we can anticipate where the cost could go and how lengthy it will take for it to arrive. Despite the fact that there is no broad agreement, most master estimates fall inside similar reach with regards to Apecoin's future cost. There are even the people who accept that Apecoin can reach $100 per token. Apecoin Price Prediction 2022. Our Apecoin expectation of the rest of 2022 is very certain. The crypto has now settled in esteem following a turbulent send-off and is consistently climbing. This, combined with the different combinations and preceded with notoriety of its related NFT projects, makes certain to support Apecoin until the end of 2022. At present, the token is on target to reach $20 inside the following 2 or 3 weeks and no more. In the meantime, specialists accept that it can come to the $50 mark before the year's over. Apecoin Price Prediction 2025. If we somehow happened to make a sensible expectation on Apecoin's cost for 2025, it would probably be someplace in the $60 to $50 region. This is on the grounds that Ape's cost is probably going to level following the underlying promotion of its most memorable year. Thusly, it would stay around a similar cost for a lengthy time frame as the venture grows new elements and gains more extensive utility. On the other hand, a more inspirational perspective can see Apecoin coming to the $100 mark constantly 2025. This would be a gigantic achievement that would solidify the crypto's place among the top monetary forms, particularly given its $1 billion symbolic cap. Apecoin Price Prediction 2030. If Apecoin somehow managed to come to the $100 mark, 2030 appears to be a considerably more practical year for that to happen in. Given the ongoing consistent cost increment proceeds, Ape is without a doubt going to break $100 per token by 2030, regardless of whether it encounters a few minor difficulties en route. Concerning a more hopeful estimate, there truly is no telling how high Apecoin could go. Assuming NFTs genuinely become the eventual fate of the craftsmanship world, their true capacity could be unfathomable. This would be incredible for Apecoin since the token has situated itself as the true digital money for NFT lovers and everything connected with the area. Moreover, it has close connections to probably the most unmistakable ventures in the space.